Today we have a comparison between the Logitech Zone wired and Logitech Zone wireless. Let's see how they compare and hear which microphone sounds better. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Drew, and this is the channel Headset Advisor, where we do in-depth reviews and comparisons of all things relating to business headsets, speakerphones, and webcams. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this. The first obvious thing is one is wired and the other is wireless. So you have to ask yourself, do you want to save a little bit of money and go with a wired headset, or do you want the added advantage of being wire-free to multitask without a cord in the way? If you look at both headsets, the wired version has smaller ear cushions and the wireless version has bigger ear cushions. How they adjust is also a little bit different. The wired version, as you can see, adjusts from the headband here, and then with the wireless, it adjusts at the speaker. So there is a small difference there as well. As you can see on the Logitech Zone wired headset, it has a longer microphone boom, whereas the wireless is shorter. The wired version has an MSRP of $129, whereas the wireless version has an MSRP of $199. But if you visit the headsetadvisor.com website, there's going to be a link to both headsets in the description of this video. Make sure you use coupon code YouTube for an additional discount. The Logitech Zone wired headset has a cord that's about 6 feet long. If you're mainly at your computer and a cord's not a big deal, then it may be a good way to go. If you want the added ability to get up from your desk to walk and talk without a cord to get in the way, then the Logitech Zone wireless will give you about 50 to 100 feet of wireless range. Now let's go ahead and get into the mic test of both headsets, and you can be the judge on which one performs best. It can be hard to concentrate while working from home these days. With active noise cancellation that reduces unwanted ambient sound, a Zone wireless headset can help you focus on the task at hand and get more stuff done. Think of it as a personal portal to acoustic serenity amidst a sea of otherwise distracting noise. Same workspace, but with a sound experience that you control. Treat yourself to immersive sound when listening to music. Logitech audio engineers have been fine-tuning headset audio for decades. And the results are the high-definition sound quality when you experience your own music with Zone wireless. For phone chats and conference calls, the noise-canceling mic isolates your voice from the noise around you for clear conversations, and a side tone control helps you modulate the volume of your voice to just the right level. Zone wireless provides an intuitive and simple interface to adjust volume, play and pause music, and start and end calls. The mic boom features a flip to mute function, plus button controls provide easy access to power, active noise cancellation, and wireless Bluetooth pairing. Zone wireless supports wireless Qi charging and includes a mobile companion app that supports easy setup and simple control for headset functions like side tone modulation and EQ presets. Certified for Microsoft Teams, launch a Microsoft Teams meeting and pick up or answer a Teams call with a single touch. If you enjoyed that microphone comparison, let us know your thoughts in the comments below on which one sounded best and blocked out the most background noise. Overall, I like both headsets and I think that they're priced right. You just need to decide if you want a wired headset or a wireless headset. Both headsets fit comfortably, and what I noticed while I was wearing the headset on these microphone tests is the Logitech Zone wired was a bit more snug on the ears, whereas the Logitech Zone wireless was a little bit more loose and it had the bigger ear cushions with active noise cancellation. I hope you found this video helpful. There's also going to be 2 other videos to the in-depth review on each of these headsets. You're going to see a video up here for the Logitech Zone wireless and another video right up there for the Logitech Zone wired. So if you want to see the in-depth review on both headsets, go ahead and click the video, either one that you want to see, and you can learn more from there. That's it for now. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this, and we'll see you next time.